I did that to my girlfriend once. Why has he got this? Stop.
Hello, Chemistry and Everyday Life 206. I am your favorite classmate, Nick Rosenbauer, and this is my comrade, Danny Ocean, also known as Bob Lambert. And we here, in the middle of our poker game, have our frozen beer experiment for you. That's where you zoom in. If you notice, we have 7 different kinds of beers. Unfortunately, we went by nice beer and cheap beer, light beer and dark beer. Unfortunately, we started with the natural light, which, as you can see, is already frozen. So, don't buy natural light. We will now try the Corona. As you can see, this is where you zoom in. Come closer.
It's aqueous.
It is an aqueous solution right now. We will now bang it. Oh, fuck.
Keep banging.
Try it again. Maybe the bottle's too big. This could be bad. Fuck.
Good clear bottle.
Here we go. We will now try the Heineken. What the fuck?
The bottle's broken.
Whoa.
That is not working. It's
try
thawed
that
too long.
Cut. Alright, so we are now outside here where we have a hard surface that will not break my parents' countertop in order to run our tests. Please hold that. We will start with the cheapest beer that we own, Natural Light bottles. As you can see, the solution is aqueous. Over here. Ready?
You're gonna break a bottle.
It's not fucking cold. Well, it didn't work. We will now try the Corona. There it goes. There it goes.
Check it out.
Look at that. Zoom in on
Good
that
work.
shit. You will notice it is now frozen up. A little bit of foam on top, but you can see that's clearly ice. Does the camera get that? Alright, next. Samuel Adams Cranberry Lambic. Don't know what the hell that is.
Nick didn't tear his hand open, which is really
Go ahead. Alright, keep it going. We're going to try Samuel Adams.
Congratulations.
Cut.
This is Bob.
The beer is aqueous.
Yes, the beer is
See it
aqueous.
jingling.
As you can see it jingle.
Chip.
Bob will now bang that shit and hopefully...
That did not work out.
We are not doing so good.
Experiencing technical difficulties.
We're gonna try one more time, then we're probably gonna quit.
I think this is frozen already.
No, this one's aqueous.
It's not aqueous stuff.
Get Heine. Get Heine Light.
Tiny light.
Heine Light is aqueous if it does not work.
Oh, that's freezing.
It's freezing.
Is it?
It's freezing a little bit. Let's bang it again.
Is it frozen?
Yeah.
Here, pick it up, put it under the light.
Slushy.
No.
That is Heine slushy. Let's do it again. It's just getting slushier. That actually worked pretty good.
This is probably a
It's
failure.
almost frozen.
As you
It's
can
slushy.
see, it's mostly frozen. We are now both really scared. Try one more.
Up into the natural
We're
light.
gonna try natural light, and then we're gonna quit. Did it freeze?
That is frozen.
Oh, and that, my friends, is frozen.
That's frozen. One more.
Success.
Bud Light.
One more Bud Light. It is aqueous. It is not broken.
It didn't break.
Is
Always
it?
a plus.
As you will note, it is also frozen. Danny Ocean himself.
Slushy.
Where's the gun, Dan? Get the gun inside. Get the gun. Bring the gun out.
Aqueous.
Aqueous. Still, is it still aqueous?
It's still a little
Try it
aqueous.
again. What about now?
Can you see? I gotta get it up. Oh, that is frozen.
Is it
now.
frozen?
It's not solid. But it's,
What beer is that?
it's slushy. This is the winter
Sam
lager.
Jackson.
Samuel L. Jackson Winter Lager.
Tap it a few more times.
Alright, just for kicks. Like, okay, we got it. Now open that shit up.
That's still liquid.
Okay, now what beer do we have here, Robert?
We have the Samuel L. Jackson Lager.
Boston Lager. Perhaps this will hold up better than the Red Sox did.
Nope.
What do we got?
Still liquid. I think we need to go hit up the other two that we have.
Okay. If you will notice, Bud Light, Heineken, and Natural Light were all very aqueous, and they became frozen.
Slushy.
And there's beer slushy if you'd like it. And, well, this is kind of a failure.
It's a shame.
Which just proves that global warming is a complete waste of time. Thank you. And from Danny Ocean, have a good night. Cheers. And from our studies, we find one that beer bottles do not hold up very well when frozen and hit against a solid item. Therefore, it is fragile. But we also did learn that, as you can see, the ones that froze, the Rolling Rock, the Natural Light, the Heineken, and the Bud Light.
Don't forget about the Corona.
And the Corona, which we did not break, even though it was a very large bottle, we pulled it off. One can see that the light beers are the ones that froze, and the darker beers, such as Samuel Adams Boston Lager, Samuel Adams Winter Lager, and this other Samuel Adams.
It's a cranberry lambic.
Cranberry Lambic did not freeze.
It's a fruity beer, don't drink it.
Therefore, one can assume that the lighter beers will freeze much easier than the darker beers. Please be careful when repeating this experiment. This is highly dangerous, and you should do it only under supervision of trained professionals, such as the Renaissance man himself. And me. Thank you.